Hello everyone. In this video we are going to understand how we can look up multiple columns using one formula like this. You just have to drag the formula in the column and it is populating data from raw data, and then you just select this and drag Ctrl R and it will populate all the cells against this ID using this raw data. If you want to understand the formula, then keep watching. Let's understand this in detail. To look up multiple columns for a single entry, then you have to use index match instead of vlookup. Index match is much faster and accurate. So start with index, then go to raw data where your data is present, and then select all the data including headers. Make sure you include the headers and then freeze it. So this is the entire data set that index is going to use, comma. The first match function will always talk about the row we are talking, and the second match function will always talk about the column we want to fetch, right? So the first match function, start the match function, and as I said that it will talk about the row, that means AD101. That means we want to match AD101 value. So I'm just freezing it for column B and not 5 cell so that I can drag it, right? So I want to match this, comma, where to match in the raw data. It is the first column, right? So I'll select the column like this, freeze it, comma, 0. First match talks about which row we want to fetch based on the first column. Like for example, in this case, it is the ID, right? Now the second match function. So now let's talk about the column, the header names, right? So we'll go here and I want values against H1. So this first header is the H1. I'll just freeze only 4, so that means it is freezing the row number 4 and not the column, so that I can drag it, comma, go to raw and then select the entire header, freeze it, comma, 0, bracket and enter. Now what is this doing? It is matching AD101 and H1 and then populating the data. So it is searching for AD101 here and H1 and then pulling the data from here. So we have boost your productivity, and that's why we have boost your productivity here. So if in case I sort it, one second, I'll just do like this. So now AD101 is here. Learn Excel easily. It is working fine. Just drag it. Because I freeze the cells accordingly, so I can drag it. So it's populating the data. And similarly, I'll just select this cell and Ctrl R. It will drag the formula and populate the values for you. I hope this will definitely help you in cases where you have to pull values for multiple columns and you don't have to use multiple vlookups for the same. If you like the video content, please like my video. Thanks for watching.